Experiencing your AirPods Pro 3 frequently switching between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. This often occurs due to sensor detection problems or an improper ear tip fit. The sensors in the AirPods detect how well the earbuds are seated in your ear. An inadequate seal causes them to misread, leading to erratic mode switching. To address this, first ensure you're using the correct ear tip size. AirPods Pro 3 come with XS, S, M, and L options. Use Apple's built-in ear tip fit test in your iPhone's settings to determine the best fit. Also, clean the sensors on your AirPods with a soft, dry cloth to remove any obstructions or wax buildup. If basic cleaning and fit adjustments don't solve the problem, update your AirPods firmware via your paired iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, Software Update, and select AirPods to check for updates. Resetting your AirPods can also help. Place them in the case and hold the Setup button for 15 seconds. This clears any temporary glitches and restores default settings. If the issue persists, contact Apple support for further diagnostics or warranty support. Looking ahead, personalized audio is becoming more prevalent. Future solutions may include AI-driven fit adjustments and custom-molded ear tips for optimal sensor readings. Stay tuned for potential firmware updates from Apple that further refine sensor responsiveness. The industry is also exploring hybrid hardware-software solutions and biocompatible tips to accommodate diverse ear anatomies, aiming to minimize these switching issues.